Okay, now you can hear that it's laugh, yeah? Clap. Pay attention. Kiss. Songs 1. Songs 2. Dot debut.
I like it, I love it, I want some more.
Then you have despise, meaning booing, yeah? Then you have gun. Okay, embarrass. Okay, cheer. Okay, and as for this is basically the effects, yeah? So when I talk, you will be able to listen the differences. Electro.
In nature.
Hello, hello. Can you hear that? Yeah, that's the effect of electro. So I just turn it off.
Sharp to in nature.
Okay, let's go to pitch blend.
Hello? Yeah, that's how it sounds like when I put in pitch blend. Now let's try elimination and off pitch blend first.
Hello. I think that's elimination.
Why is pitch blend still on? Yeah, just let me off.
There you go. So sorry about that. And shockwave. Hello. Hello. Shockwave. I think it's about the same. Hello. Yeah, I think the echo is really loud. That's why you call it MC. I don't know. And dodge. I'm not sure how this works, but I understand that this will basically eliminate the music background of yours. Right now I can't demonstrate because I don't have a music background. So okay, treble. I think I normally just put it to the minimum treble and bass. Can you hear the difference? Yeah, I think it's about the same. Record, music, and monitor. Monitor is the most important part. Yep. And echo, I'll put it to minimum, microphone to maximum, record to maximum. Music, I think, why, hello. Okay, I think I just put in the middle. That will not be so weird. Okay, so basically that's it. That's how you guys can make use of the V8 sound card to do your recording, to do your live. Let me just show you guys with and without the BM-800 microphone. Okay, now I'm talking to you guys in BM-800 microphone, and this is how it sounds like on BM-800 microphone. But now my mouth is very close to the BM-800. I'm going to go further, about 1 feet away, and you guys hear for yourself. How does this sounds like? Okay, this is 1 feet away from the BM-800. Okay, and this is how I sounds like. Okay, this is about 1 meter away. 1 meter away from BM-800. I'm not shouting. This is how I talk, and the same volume as well. And this is how BM-800 sounds like from 1 meter away. Okay, now I'm back, and this is how it sounds like when I'm close up to it in 12 cm. Okay, and let's listen to how I sounds like on the iPhone. Okay, this is how I sounds like on the iPhone, not using the mic. Everything is off. And thank you for watching this video. If you're happy with this, please do subscribe to my channel. And it's very difficult to make a video this, okay, because I have to unset up and set up again, install and reinstall again, many rounds, to get this done. So please do appreciate my effort, do subscribe to it and give it a thumbs up if you can. And Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.